Hello and welcome to another Kamen Rider DX review. Today we got the Cherry Energy Lock Seed. You got the Cherry Rider right there and Zagatsu there because he's the main one with the Genesis driver. Pretty neat logo. My tag, I pulled out the tag in there. But this is a sort of unboxing. I've already unboxed it once, but unboxing it again. Pretty cool art underneath, QR code and such. You know, for the sake of the viewer, here is the QR code that you may QR. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All this is go to the mobile. Boys. So the packaging looks nice, but I absolutely hate it. I mean, the lock seat is this big. I mean, the candy toy box is big enough, but they were justified because it's pretty much just a square box around the lock seat. Because these things are big, these lock seats. But this, I mean, what's this space? What's this space? I know you're trying to like advertise it, but come on, people know what Kamen Rider is in Asia. Like, especially in Japan. This is like a Japanese item because it's not out in Hong Kong yet. So this is Japanese stock from a Japanese that was meant to be retailed in Japan. People know Kamen Rider. In fact, I actually don't see Kamen Rider anywhere on the box, but down there. So when people know Kamen Rider, why do you need such a big box to tell people, look, it's Loxy, Loxy, Loxy? Like, Jesus Christ, this box is too big. Like, what am I gonna do? How? Like, it's not, I mean, look, it's got like wasting that much space on there as well. Like, what am I going to do? Put it in the shelf and like, there's all this space that's wasted. I hate these packaging. Like, waste, and waste. Just shrink it down. I mean, it looks nice, but in terms of being practical, it's a total piece of garbage. Basic information on the back. I'll just move it, that you look at it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, there was tape here, you know, a bit excessive, and tape on the top. So I take this cardboard out, and then remove all the tape, as you can see. The plastic tray here, but I think of all this extra junk. Now, inside here, which Japanese toys always like to do, inside the flap is usually the instructions manual. So I'll take that out. Now, this is actually taped down to the packaging, or else it would have fallen out. But the downside to the tape is, you can see it's teared a bit off the cardboard and it's just stuck there. So, yeah, basic information. I'll just let you look at it. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a very big instruction manual for, you know, I guess in a way a simple toy. Like, I just can't see why it needs such big instructions booklet. Now, as you can see, I already took the tab out, so let's leave it at that. Let's turn this bad boy on. Let's do that again with this shut. Very retro style, Ella pointed out. This is like something from Pac-Man or something, because, you know, cherries. I do have to say though, it's like the saying cherrying energy. What the hell is that? Now this lock seat looks absolutely gorgeous. The silver is nice, the metallic red is nice. It's just really cool, this whole front cover. And I'm just going to turn this off for a sec. But the way this works is you've got button down here and 2 other buttons, which pretty much signify this lock seat what it's in. If it pushes one of the buttons, it's in the driver. If it pushes one of the other buttons, it's in the weapons or the warring state drivers. It pushes both, I think. And this is another button that doesn't do too much on its own. Button inside here, so no matter how many times you push this, it will say Cherry Energy, unless you know you just finish the henshin stuff and pulling it back out, then it will just do a sound. And the button down here, which is the warring stage driver push, it pushes this little gear here. I don't know if you can see it. That piece there. What that piece does is it moves this tiny piece and opens the lock seat. When it goes in the warring stage driver, the warring stage driver pushes that bit, which also pushes this open. So you can see here. I don't know if you can see it. I can get more light on it somehow. I can't see in the viewfinder, but see that little peg that moves? So this thing goes all the way up here, pushes this tiny peg that the warring stage driver can also push. This thing is spring loaded, so the knife comes down and it'll you know, go back up and voila. Oops. So, lights off, and let's do that again. Sweet. So let's stick this in the rolling stage driver. So, is it on? I meant the Genesis driver. What am I talking about? Oops. That's really cool. Colors changing. So it doesn't have anything else then other than that. Come on. Now, this one pushes. This one only leaves one, pushes two buttons down, leaves one open, which is how the Genesis driver works. I'll pull that out, and let's do the cheat and get this to pretend that it is in the Warring States driver by sticking in a piece in here. Alright, so pieces down here, which means it's pushing both buttons. So when you push both buttons down, it's in the Warring States driver. That's what you do, and then push that. Come out. And that's how it works. Now see there's two pegs down here and the one on the left, so it pushes that one down, and I'm assuming if you only push the one on the left hand side of this one, it would do the other noise. This is going to be quite hard to push, but I'm going to try it and push the buttons. Oops, I'm going to try and push this button. And then get the other button. So yeah, that's what happens when you put it in the weapons. what it does. And just for the sake of the last video that I didn't do this, I'm going to do it now with this one. So that's cool. So that's the cherry lock seed. Very cool. I like it, cherry with the Pac-Man thing going on. That's awesome. Your retro arcades and such. Saying which, I'm gonna start playing the Pac-Man collection, which has the Championship Edition all on PC, which is cool because it's on PC and that's really fun. But, so yeah. Subscribe, suggest and comment below, tell me what you think of these lock seeds, which one's your favourite lock seeds, and which one's your favourite Henshin toy. Let me know in the comments below, and of course take care, and have a nice day. Bye.